Time for a snack break. It's Rumi's favorite, ramyun. Hey, no one said you could cut her off. Wow, a K-pop Demon Hunter's blind bag. Gotta love when noodles come with their own toppings. Back to the game. Solve this block puzzle before the clock runs out. Don't want to rush you, but time is not on your side. Ooh, looks like Rumi's got her own minifig mini-me. Okay, girls, time to sing. Or hunt demons, whichever comes first. Rumi's got a special K-pop Demon Hunters meal. And her own paper doll. Look, Jinu's here too! Let's bring these two together. Truly life-imitating fan art. Oh no! The demons have got Jinu captured! Come on, Rumi! We need to get demon hunting. Then we can save Jinu and act out my fanfics. There's something in the sewer! How do we open it? A sword? Fish? Well, let's give it a try. Next, let's try this handy-dandy carrot. Is that even a pun? I'm starting to think we should use that big rock. Wait, here in the trash. Now this blade looks familiar. It's Rumi's sword! So who's up for a slice? Look, it's Derpy! Aw, but you're all messy! Don't worry, we can help clean you up. Just hope blue demon tigers aren't dry clean only. Let's clean out those ears. And squeeze in a mani-pedi. Feeling hungry? Let's hope you're in the mood for tuna. Guess Derpy's just a big cat at heart. Which means we need to keep an eye on your plants.
No.
Derpy could use a distraction. So here's a ball of yarn to work out those claws. And to say thanks, it's the first key. Next up, Rumi's competing with the Saja boys. But first, let's see what game we're gonna play. And the scroll reads, a dance battle? Okay then, cue the music and put your skills to the test. Even without Jinu, these demon boys sure can boogie. And it looks like the judges agree. Whose side are you on, Rumi? Well, now it's Mini Rumi's turn. Crank up the volume. But first, she's gonna need some backup. Zoe, Mira, you're on. They could use a little spark. And I'm not just talking about inspiration. Now that's what I call an electric slide. And we've got a winner. Bobby would be so proud. Let's show them what they've won. The next key. You girls earned a little break. Make that a snack break. Got it. Pizza and donuts. Uh-oh, the fridge is empty. Well, let's hit up a convenience store. Let's keep an eye out for some cool snacks. Looks like we've found our little soda pop. And who can say no to some gimbap? We can't forget the ultimate snack, ramyun. Of course, you can't have ramen sans toppings. Like the all-time Zoe fave, a burger. Now let's buck tradition and play with our food. Try to match everybody with their snack. You know this is Mira's. She's got her name on it. And she likes her stuff extra spicy. Here, wait until you try the special ingredient. Uh-oh, it looks like this girl is on fire. Well, that could have gone better. Cue magic tears. Guess crying does fix everything. Okay then, back to the game we go. Looks like Zoe's getting the gimbap. With a side of shrimp sushi too. I don't think that's supposed to do that. Ew, who ordered the bug? Moving on. What's Rumi having for lunch? Ooh, a sandwich cookie! They're so good, you just can't stop at one! Remember, you're in Hunter X, not the chipmunks, so it's important to chew your food. Not that hard! Ooh, you lost a tooth, but you gained something better, a key! And speaking of keys, there's the next one. Wait, this all seems a little too easy. Either way, there's a dress code in here. Well, at least they give you a locker for your stuff. And they don't make you share it like in school. Well, it's time to hit the jacuzzi. You see the hand, right? Either way, grab your snorkel and dive on in. Uh-oh, there's demons in the water. Well, it's nothing our mallet can't fix. Never know what could be lurking beneath the bubbles. Honestly, this place could use a filter or something. Maybe we'll have better luck with whatever's in here. There's something behind this demon. It's the rainbow key! Great! Now let's get out of here. Hold on, Jinu! We've almost got you out! The sewer? Don't have to ask me twice. Let's jump in! Sussy's in a cage. Think we can spring him? Like most things in life, the solution is connections. We're gonna need some special tools. Take your hammer and let's see what we got. A piece of hard candy? Well, I'm not complaining. Next up, string. Well, at least we're getting closer. Aha! Pipe cleaners! Now that's what we need! The best part is that they're already color-coded. Now pull that lever and Sussy is a free bird. And it turns out that the string is handy too. Hold on! Hey, it's the Saja boys. They might look cute, but true beauty is really on the inside. Especially when that true beauty shows up in photos. Well, Rumi, it's time to put those K-pop demon hunting skills to work. Sorry, Saja boys. Weema can't save you now. Though you're kind of better off without him. And look, you've won a key! Let's save Jinu! Almost done. Just gotta remove these chains. Now you're as golden as Hanmoon. Finally a happy ending. But do you think we'll get a sequel?